Hey guys, it's been a quick minute. Just want to give a update on kind of what I'm doing. So unfortunately, when that past eval that I was working on with all those updates or live streams that I did, I was really close. I think it was like a 2,200 or something like that, and then the market just really turned sour for that trade in the morning. And unfortunately, I gave it all back, and that was pretty much it. But I did, so I kind of stopped doing polarity and the automated trading, semi-automated trading kind of thing for a while, and just kind of traded just pure off the footprint, the AC4 plus footprint. And so because I kept seeing like absorption levels. Also, hang on, let me just stop this real quick. We're just about to have the FOMC announcement, so let's disconnect playback. And let's go to Apex. We'll go Apex 2. So, yeah, I stopped doing that, and I just, kind of manually traded the footprint charts, looking specifically for absorption. And I think I did pretty well on it. So I actually did pass one of my evals, and I passed it. It was a little rough. I'll show you exactly kind of what after this loads. So as you can see, I do have a PA account now. I just activated it yesterday. I'm not going to trade it today. I didn't trade it today. I'm not going to probably not going to trade it tomorrow, but I might trade it Friday, and if not, I'll start on Monday. I do need to work on these other two and also my live account. Okay, what? Oh, okay, yeah. Because one of the problems, yeah, let's just do that. So really, one of the problems with trading so many accounts like this is that I actually give a lot. Let's do 1 minute. I actually give like a lot of my, my really good trades. Okay, and it jumped up. Okay, that's interesting. I really give like I can only prioritize certain accounts, for example, for during the good trading times. So I was prioritizing this PA account or this past eval account because it was so close, and then my live account kind of suffered. It was okay for a while now, but now it's kind of suffering a little bit. And okay, so we have the announcement. Let's just see what exactly is going on with it. Okay, obviously the funds rate is the same, and we don't know what the projections are. So it might just be reacting off of bullish projections. But yeah, that's a pretty big jump. Obviously, I could go on my. Oh my god, I actually feel like going on my this Apex account and just going long. Oh, I should have just gone long, to be honest. Just one, past a whole bunch of accounts. But that is actually kind of, yeah, maybe let's just play around. Let's just play around with how many do we have. So that is a lot of absorption up there. So, okay.
Order filled. Target filled.
Okay, so we made a little bit extra there. Okay, I'm done. Okay, that was really stupid. I really shouldn't be trading like that. That's kind of BS trading. But anyway, so it was difficult. It's difficult because I'm trading this one, and also my live account. And I'll talk about the live account a little bit too, and why it's difficult to trade a live account. And okay. Now we have. Okay, you should go long here. You should definitely go along here. But it's so volatile like this. Okay, maybe after that. But anyway, see, so I did pass one, and I think I might stream it. I don't know for sure if I want to stream it because, yeah, maybe I will stream it. I don't know, but I don't really do a lot of commentary, and I think a lot of people are. So the other thing, okay, so the first thing I did pass, but it's manually trading absorption such as this. So I'll look at something like this. obviously I'm not gonna trade now because it's so crazy. But if I see something like this, I'll go long and hopefully go back up, right? As you saw before, it indicated AC plus indicated absorption up here. That's why I went short. So stuff like that, and it worked. It's working pretty well. Okay, let's just talk about that account. One of the challenges. I really want to point this out because it's actually kind of important. So what happened was I was actually pretty close to passing it. Like I think the first week I got up to, I got pretty close. I got up to like 2,200 or something like that. Okay, let's see, where's the summary? Okay, let's go summary. So I wonder if we can change this chart. What the? Okay. So it's this light blue line is the past account. Let's see what the market's doing real quick. Yeah, see if you went long there, you'd be great. But anyway, so this is right after I failed that other one, and I was really close in that one too. I was like 2,200. I got pissed, so I just started aggressively trading through the absorptions, right? So 100 and pretty big jumps. Here, like I think around here, I was actually at 2,000 or something like that. I was close to 2,000 here, and now here's the problem. I switched over to micros, and I was trying to slowly, because this was like within, let's see, this was within like less than a week. Okay, I was gonna switch to micros and just make the rest of the 1,000 of micros. That was a big problem. Like not only did I just kind of like trade it really scared. Here you can see I'm like making $100, $84, $45. Here I lost. And then I was like, okay, this is really stupid because like I'm never gonna make it there. Like, even though I still had a lot of time left, this eval that I passed was gonna expire this Friday. So I'm like, okay, this is really stupid because I'm wasting a lot of opportunities, good trades that I could be taking in another eval or in my live account, just by fuddling around with with these trades. So then I went back to one contract, hoping for 2 wins or 3 wins a day, and so now it's better. I did do pretty badly here. I think this day we had news in the morning, and it caused. Yeah, I think this day we had the CPI or the PPI, and it was worse than expected, and it caused a lot of volatility in the market. So a lot of the absorptions, like I had a less than favorable win rate that day. So then next day it bounced back. Now here I'm just like muddling around for a little bit. I'm really close now. I'm like 500 away. So I'm muddling around, being really too cautious with my trading, exiting out winners way too early. And then finally, these last 2 days, I finally made it. This day, the last day I traded, this was actually pretty funny because I was 200 away. And then the first trade, I cut it. So each trade is $100. Each one's $100. So I was less than 200 away. So of course, this takes into consider commissions too. So I took this trade, the first trade, but I cut it a little early, so I only got $90 from it. In the second trade, I got the full $100. So I was, getting mad at myself for cutting that trade off, and my what the total was $2,998. So I was $2 shy of the target. So then I actually switched to micros and just did a quick scalp on another trade, and I was able to make it. But that was really funny. So I did finally make it. So it says it took me 20 tries, but really this is actually the first time I actually manually traded the footprint charts, specifically looking for absorption. And I can go over absorption later and why I really like absorption trading, and why I think there's an edge there. But yeah, that's it. For this one here, this other eval, I was just playing around with some automated trading using Polarity, and obviously you saw it has some really bad days. But now, since I passed this one, I'm actually here. I turned it around. I'm actually trading like I think here or here. I'm actually start. Can I go like only here? Yeah, so here I'm only trading. Now I'm only trading absorption with this. I'm not doing the polarity anymore in this one, and so now I'm putting up consistent 357. Yesterday 201. So I need to work this account back because right now it's at 4,900. So I actually need $4,000 in in about 2 weeks because this expires on the 4th. So if we think about this, here's my calculator. Okay, I hate Windows 11. Jesus. I don't even have. Okay, there it is. Okay. I need to check my options too. $4,000 divided by. It's not even 14 days, so it's 10 days. So I need to make over $400 a day to actually pass this. And now I only made 290 today. So obviously I have a lot of work to do. I'm not gonna trade this, guys. I'm not gonna trade this. This is way too crazy for me to trade. But yeah, so and also I had to trade this PA too, and also my live account as well. And oh my god! So the other problem. So I'm comfortable with absorption trading, and I haven't given up on polarity. So you have people out there like obviously Connor is doing really well with it. There's also a guy named Ron Kemp from California, from San Fran. He has a group there, and I mean he's killing it, just doing whatever. Polarity there's an update expected. I'm gonna wait for that update to do anything else, but I'm also experimenting on my own as well. And there's also like I just learned that you can do limit orders with an offset on polarity. So maybe using that and what I was doing before will actually work. So what happens is that, let's just say polarity triggers now to go long, right? Instead of putting a long at market here, you could say, oh, I wanted to come back at least 20 ticks or 10, 15 ticks before it goes long. So I'll put a limit order down here. And then so that means that, if that was your original stop loss, 15 from here, then it's going to hit that. And then hopefully it goes back up, right? And then it will, and then if, for example, if it goes up 15 instead, you can put something, I think, in the settings that, and then it will not, it will just take off the limit order. So if you hit the target, I hope that makes sense. Maybe there's something there. I don't know. I need to test it. I'm still working on things. But anyway, so it's good to know I need like $400 a day. But here's the problem. Tomorrow, I actually want to give priority. So today, I'm 290 in this Apex account, eval. But in my live account, I was almost down like $20, 20-some dollars. And yesterday I was down, and the day before I was down. But then, like for a week straight, I was completely up. So I think that was a product of me just giving more time towards like Apex accounts than my live accounts. So I'm trading my Apex live accounts on not the greatest times. And, I think that's kind of the problem. So I think tomorrow what I'm going to do is I'm going to trade my live account first and then the Apex account. And I'm not going to trade the PA until Friday or Monday, if that makes sense. And then the plan for the PA account, I think it's going to be same. No. Okay, anyway, so that's it. I'll talk to you guys later.